Hey everyone! If you're a fan of high-performance sports cars, you're going to love this. Today, we're diving into the exciting updates and features of the 2025 BMW M2. Stick around because there's a lot to uncover about this beast of a machine. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends who are car enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. The 2025 BMW M2 is rolling out with some minor yet impactful changes. While its bold, aggressive styling remains largely the same, BMW has introduced a slew of new exterior colors through its personalization program. You'll also notice front and rear emblems with sleek silver trim and new black exhaust tips. With its enlarged fenders, large front air intakes for exhaust tips, and short overhangs, the M2 continues to command attention on the road. Inside, BMW has kept the design familiar, but with some notable updates. The 2025 M2 now features a new flat-bottom steering wheel wrapped in leather, complete with a red center marker and optional red accent stitching. The interior maintains its upscale and sporty vibe, boasting a large display, several red controls, thickly padded seats, and a chunky steering wheel that feels great in your hands. One of the major highlights for 2025 is the new iDrive 8.5 infotainment system. Standard features now include a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch center display integrated into a single panel. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system. With fewer physical controls, the interior looks cleaner and more modern than ever. Under the hood, the 2025 BMW M2 continues to impress with its turbocharged 3.0-liter six-cylinder engine, delivering a whopping 453 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. You can choose between a 6-speed manual transmission or an 8-speed automatic. BMW claims this powerhouse can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds, ensuring an exhilarating drive every time. Pricing for the 2025 BMW M2 starts at $66,075, which is a slight increase of $1,880 compared to last year. The official launch is set for August 2024, and you can expect to see this sports car hitting dealerships in the fall. And there you have it, folks. The 2025 BMW M2 is shaping up to be a thrilling addition to the sports car market with its blend of performance, technology, and design. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more updates and reviews on the hottest cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.